Okay, pauwi na kami mga guys. I gave my all, I gave my best, pero wala, second lang tayo.
It's okay.
Yeah, sabi ni Ava, it's okay. Bata yung nanalo. Tsaka talagang may edad na rin talaga. So, still, I'm happy. I got the second place. Not bad at all.
1,000.
At 47, nakakapag-compete pa rin. 4,000 daw, sabi ni Ava. At saka yung trophy, ayan o. Trophy. Are you happy with Mama's performance, anak?
Yes.
Are you proud?
Yes.
Yes, super proud. Thank you. Yan, yung aming bunso, pagod na. Pagod na si Aya. Pagod na siya. Pagod na. Pagod na siya. Nagpabuhat na. Aga kasi namin nagising. 3:30. Before 5, 4:30, nandito na kami. Ay, hindi, no. 4:45. 4:45 ata kami nandito.
Okay, we have an announcement. We have an announcement for the first placer for the 3-day EcoZone category.
So,
The real finisher, first placer, has an official time of 10 minutes and 50
6K,
seconds.
6K. Akala ko
He will be recognized. However, he is not eligible
Ay?
to receive the award.
Oh? Bakit? Bakit?
He is the real first placer.
Bakit?
Okay? Ang official time niya ay 10 minutes and 50 seconds. For recognition, may we call on Jelan Espiritu.
Hindi siya EcoZone employee. Sayang naman. Hindi siya empleyado? Yung
Yan. Hinareceive niya po yung medal, pero